We're gonna make him have 6.
It wasn't me.
Looking for some Pootie Tang.
I'll put it back, bro, I promise. I'm just gonna go ahead and break it.
Welcome back to the channel. I don't know what the title of this is. I don't even know where we're beginning, but we have a 1J on a stand and we've got a G35 in the driveway. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make him have 6. No, this 1J is, it's a long story. We'll have Vithi go over it here in a couple, but it is eventually gonna be going in the G. So this is gonna be the teardown and semi-rebuild. I wouldn't even say rebuild,
Slight
refresh.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess just tell us a little bit about it. I went with them to Jacksonville to pick this up a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, we didn't film any of that, but it's one of those deals where like seems good. You go there, we got a compression test. We tested it out a little lower than we liked, but it was a good enough deal to still bring it home.
So got a good deal.
Came with a bunch of extras.
Brought it home
a
and
lot of that, but
now it sits on the stand. So I think what today's plan, take the head off.
Yeah.
We're gonna bring the head to JP. He's
get it
gonna vacuum test it because this is a mystery engine that was semi being torn apart and built. The head, from our understanding, was redone of some sort. We don't know what that means. We also don't know if they put good stuff, stock stuff, clearance stuff.
Yeah.
Like it does.
Mystery.
It's a mystery.
It's
so
definitely a mystery engine. It's a JZ though, so
we're gonna make some noises.
the plan right now is new rings, refresh, leave everything else how it is.
Vacuum the head, and then you're not gonna deck and hone the block, right? You're gonna give it to the machine shop.
If the head gasket and everything looks good when we pull it, no, the head probably just get decked and then put it back together and let it go. Talked about just putting it in as it is. I just don't want to do that only because it's a little lower than I would like, and I don't want to put it in and then. The other thing is too, the car's like I'm not pulling that car apart for a little bit until I have everything. So while we have time now, I kind of want to go through it, make sure it's good, and then just put it in once and be done.
We've got a plan of attack. We're gonna start that plan of attack, and of course, if things change, you guys will be brought along. But we're gonna open this bad boy up. We're gonna see how she's looking, and we will decide. Vithi will decide what the next step is from there.
What exactly is gonna happen? Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, we didn't get too far into this one.
Oh!
Hey.
I was spitting a bunch of black
smell
pieces.
That? Smell that. Let them smell it. Let them smell it. Ooh.
I mean, if it works, I guess.
We're back.
Cams are off. Cam caps are off.
Yep.
VVTi oil's off. Whatever that's off. It's off.
Not the greatest results so far. Yeah, we'll show the people. This journal right here looks a little scarred.
I use my finger, and you can feel just a little bit on that number 1.
Yeah.
Other than that, most of them
have
look.
some scarring on it too. Like this one specifically is quite a bit. This one. We are no engine builders, so not exactly sure plan of attack yet. But we'll figure it out. We're gonna pull the head off now. See from there. I don't know. Don't worry about the tools. Just know the job's getting done.
Oh, loosen this one up, brother. Oh, buddy's using a, what is this?
It's for a lawnmower. It's a spark plug wrench socket.
It looks like cut it off of our tent for highway mob.
Don't look at these plugs. We're not even gonna show the plug these.
Those are some random plugs. It's okay, we were just, you know, keeping the engine sealed up. But it's about time to pull the head off, so let's,
I think it
I mean,
is.
well, I was gonna say, unless you have a ground or something that's yeah.
That's off though.
Oh. Oh, you should be good then. See what we're cooking with. Want to pause the toonies just for, you know, copyright services?
No cowgirls in the vlog, sorry.
No cowgirls in the vlog. Hey, but if you're a cowgirl, hit me up, 808-26. That will probably be blurred out, looking for some booty tang.
Why's that not top dead?
Ooh, you were at half.
How's that possible?
Oh, you know what? Okay.
Brother,
Milky Cocoa
okay.
Puffs.
Okay, the reason there's so much oil on here is from us.
Yeah, we did put a lot in number one.
Shit, look at this though. Damn, this shit's cooked.
Why? Can you feel scarring? I mean, I don't know. I couldn't
I don't
really
know.
tell you.
I just don't like how it looks yet. We'll see. Let's pull this gasket off. It's getting serious now, vlog. It's getting real serious.
Oh, yeah.
If I seem stressed, it's because I am. Pockets are gonna be
Buddy's
hurt
not
and-
even laughing at my jokes. That's how you know he's stressed out. They use the GTE, what, copper cover?
I mean, it is
No.
GTE.
No, I know, but like the aftermarket copper cover.
Oh.
I thought it was just because of the spray, but I don't know. Maybe.
Damn. A little crustier than there, boy, I thought. I am confused though on why these two aren't at the top. You know what I mean?
I mean, at this point, it really doesn't matter. You could put the bolt in and turn it over.
No, yeah, but fuck it, whatever.
I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
I don't know. Seeing this, I'm glad that it's come apart. Check the horses out.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm taking those for a ride, not gonna lie.
What?
The horses.
Freaking, this motor was sitting. The guy said it wasn't sitting for that long.
Brother, we knew it was
It
sitting
was
for a couple
sitting.
years.
Yeah.
We
definitely.
knew it was a couple
We
years.
knew that getting into this. It was just a good deal. I can't pass up a good deal. I'm sorry. It might bite me in the ass here.
He's a gambler. Gambling
No,
man.
I wouldn't say a gambler. I just can't, like, just frown. I like good deals, okay?
Oh, that didn't look like that much. You lined this up, didn't you?
I did. You know the rag.
Yeah.
Oh. Brother, ugh. Guys, don't buy mystery engines. They'll end up like me.
Also, if you do buy an engine from a depot, make sure they compression test it and warranty your stuff. Because that's also why we didn't go through a depot, because depots lie. I don't like how dry the cylinder is, but I don't know. I don't see any crazy scarring. I just see like piston ring, like from where it sat for a while.
Yeah. These aren't as much stroke as I thought they did. I'm gonna put that one at the top and clean that out a little bit.
right, boys and girls, we're making a little bit of progress at a time. We just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the teardown, pretty much introduce the build.
Yeah,
because
it's happening.
The thing runs, drives, rips, looks super sexy. It's kitted, it's painted, and it's gonna stay like that basically till the 1J and everything is
Still
acquired.
have everything, yeah.
So this is the whole point of this. It was a great deal. We did semi know what we were getting into.
Yeah, we knew it wasn't the cleanest and it was crusty and it was gonna need some work. We knew we were gonna have to open it up, but it is what it is.
It is what it is, but we're gonna leave it as it is right now. Everything from the caps, cams, whatever, all labeled. The head is covered a little bit, and I think Vithi is just gonna kind of decide what he wants to do, talk to a couple people, make some, I guess, educated decisions, and then
Put it back together.
Put it back together. So,
dude, I got scammed. This is not a Toyota. This is a Toyota.
Toyota. Right? What? Duh.
What?
I'll give you like 500.
Wow, wow.
You're making $437.
Alright, don't stop.
What up? Buddy's out here trapping rims. Hey man, listen man, these 326 wheels, by the time you guys see this video, the raffle is this weekend. Upcoming Friday raffle. Y'all go hit 2K Tap on Instagram. Enter his raffles. I mean, I'm sure most of you guys already know, but these are the upcoming wheels for the raffle. For 35 beans, you guys could get yourself some good spec 326 wheels, Yaba Kings, super, super sick. And well, these are some of the other wheels that have been raffled and people chose cash and or some wheels that are gonna be up for raffle next. So y'all go check him out, enter that raffle, and get you guys some 326 wheels. Just like my boy Vithi, coming up, awesome wheels. I was telling him, enter the raffle. By the time this video is out, 326 wheels are gonna be locked in. Don't scratch him, man. Don't scratch him, man. What'd you say? Whoever owns Tire Machine, like companies or something, sponsor your boys.
Hit us up, man. Hit us up.
We're over here putting in work. We're over here putting in work. We're over here putting in work. And we ain't got no Tire Machine, no balancer. We gotta come over and use Mr. Tapperton's. Shout out Big Tapperton.
Yeah. Makes it a whole lot easier.
Okay.
Should be good.
Okay.
You gotta look.
I sent you money for the excuses. So you know the box.
Tell them what it is, hot shit. Okay. You keep the OZ shirt though.
Oh yeah.
I seen that shirt in Japan. Come on, man.
I was like, Logan's gonna be there, so I'm a rep. You know.
I feel that.
That flash is a little.
What
bright.
you got? Flash is. Damn, I didn't even realize Flash
How
was.
you couldn't see my fucking oily ass face?
What you got in the bag, bro?
Some wheel hanger things because I'm trying to be like my son here.
Hey man, where can you buy those, man? Where can you buy them?
Oh, you can buy them at. Would you go by like 2K Tap?
Oh, the bleeped out, bleeped out, man. If y'all are in the market for some 215 40 18, 225 40 18, 235 40 18, or some 205 40 17s, holler at your boy. If I don't have it, Tap might have it. If Tap don't have it, I might have it. And if neither of us have it, both of us can get it for you. I just want to throw that out there. Vithmeister is on his last one.
So keep it nice.
We've been here for 4 hours already.
Bro, it's been crazy. Brother.
You just needed a little bit of lamb love. You know what I'm saying?
I'll put it back, bro, I promise.
You just needed a little bit of sauce. A little bit of wine.
You got the bad one, bro.
A little bit of wine. Yo, we're not doing anything over here, Tap.
Put this nigga over here breaking.
Why not? We're not doing nothing.
Shit gonna pop off. Oh, brother.
Look at this. The things VQ owners gotta do.
Boy, you know this super fast.
Hey man, if it works, it works. Can't knock it.
See, it's a free tent right there.
Nautica too, bro. That's money right there. This is gonna be a turbo K swap, if you guys weren't aware.
You really gotta go. I don't even care.
Nice. Yo, show me on this wheel, bro. Look at this. Dirty, stinky, poopy.
Half so, half just.
Do what you were doing earlier too with the hot tua.
Wasn't me.
No, that was bro. You guys.
Oh, hot damn feels so good.
You guys should see this guy with a jack pole.
But don't start some crazy shit now. Bro, it's hot. It's actually
Yeah, brother, you see it.
can't see where we're going, but
No, we're going to
to the
dispose of these correctly
To the recycling center.
to the recycling center. They took lunch when it was raining, and now they opened back up. So
yeah, it's actually.
it's actually
3 p.m.
bright out. It's actually 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Bro, that's actually like sick. Look at it, bob and weave, baby, bob and weave. You've been to the tire shop too many
conventions.
times. Is that ladder OSHA certified?
You know what girls be saying like beauty is pain or some shit like that? It's the
Yeah.
same shit, bro. Like this look good, but it ain't easy to do.